learn, and more people listen.
So I understand.
We can actually get maybe I will see now if it makes a difference.
Black cap is trash.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight for the ramparts we won were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of our brave?
That was awesome.
Thanks to our Canadian sister.
I'm in the house.
What one? For swim? No.
Hagg Lake out in Gaston, Oregon, and this is part of the USA Ultra Tri series of races. So we're out here to do a double distance Anvil race, which is 4.8 miles of swimming, 224 miles of biking, and a double marathon. We also put on the Badass single Anvil, and this year in Oregon we allowed teams to do the double.
What's so beautiful about this sport? There's no politics. It's like, there's the clock, there's the miles, and there's the starting line, and it's all up to you. A lot of people, their vacation is this. This is their vacation. You know, in a weird way, we come together to beat each other up and accomplish a common goal.
And a lot of it is troubleshooting, and trying to always keep checking back with yourself. What is hurting? What is starting to hurt? How's your nutrition? How are you digesting? What's your body temperature? Are you too hot? Are you too cold? So it's a lot of it is just sort of management. It's like, keeping the machine fueled and tuned up to get through it.
This is all inspiration. This is all challenging yourself and coming into your own self, like conquering a 5-mile swim, conquering the bike ride, and then, to top it all off, 52 miles, it's just breaking you down, but you're getting stronger and stronger.
Ours being the distance it is and all that, we allow support crews, and they're just helping each other out there throughout the race. If bike issues or running issues, water and food things, everybody's helping everybody. The racers themselves. I've had people that have finished a bike and somebody else still biking would have a bike issue. Their bike's gone to them or a tire's gone to them just so they could finish.
And what is your role? What do you guys have specific roles, or are you all pitching in, or what?
All pitching in.
Team effort.
They nap. And I do all the work. No, it's been a collective team effort.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We drive everywhere. We bring support.
Exactly.
We support the supplies,
Nice.
and she distributes the supplies.
Nice.
I do manual labor.
We're just here around the clock for him, and providing moral support, a little bit of running support up that first hill, and then food, according to his schedule. He had all this. Show the splits.
Well, he told us when to give him food, what kind of food. He gave us all of his splits.
And, we just love him to pieces, so we're just thrilled to be here.
Quite a character and quite an inspiration.
We see racers coming in one after another to the finish line, and the second person in line, if they're tight, will actually wait until that first competitor carries his or her flag across the finish line, hearing their national anthem, and that's all out of respect. It's a huge, respectful family.
It's a teaching tool, really. I feel like I'm being made stronger just by being a part of this event. And it is really inspiring. I think I might want to do one. I'm not going to tell anybody yet, but I think I might want to do one.
Really? Wow.
I'm 56 years old, and I don't know how much longer I can keep doing this nonsense. My kids keep saying, "You've got nothing to prove. Why are you doing this?" It's like, well, I don't know, because I can. I'm lucky. It's fun. I get on my bike and I feel like a kid again. Oh my gosh, on that fresh asphalt. It's like, wow, I was playing. It was, it brings back all of that. It's an amazing kind of thing. It's fun to do that.
To me, it's pure euphoria. I mean, I get chills every single time a new person crosses that finish line carrying their flag with their national anthem in the background, and it's overwhelming. I've teared up every time. You tear up just having an opportunity to see the same people again every year, and it's really quite special.
It's a reunion.